My name is Long Pham. I am from University College Cork, which is a member of the VISION, but I am also a member of AI4Europe. I'm also a member of the organizing committee of this community event here. I'm extremely proud of our team who has done great work over the past few months to have hundreds of people from different networks here today. We see representatives from 9 different networks. We also have the representative from the European Commissions, and of course we see a lot of other people that interested online with our work here. For me personally, I think that the great work of the NoE is very well demonstrated through their presentation. But what I am really proud of and also wanted it to be a sweet memory for me is actually that sitting and meeting with those colleagues that I have been meeting online for the past 2 years. And I wanted it's a pity that those networks that are coming into an end, the first one, the ICC48, but we are becoming friends, and I think that that is a really good opportunity for us to know in person, and then we know that we can trust those people to carry on with our next collaboration opportunity. And here we have a beautiful building here. And we also very generously hosted by our partners here in Thessaloniki, and I think that it is a good memories for a lot of us, and I am just only one of them, and I think that the opportunity for us to be here is amazing, and it is a memorable moment for me, and I'm appreciating all of the work that was put into it. Thank you.